Hey guys, what's going on? It's Khameleon Kicks back with another video, and today we're going to be making a Kobe Bryant tribute Air Force 1. So to begin, as you know, we're going to strip the shoe with acetone with a cotton ball. Then once it has been stripped, we're going to tape up and we're going to apply our stencil, and as you see, I'll speed up the process of how we actually do the multi-layer stencil for the face. We fill in the base layer of purple for Kobe Bryant, as this is going to be an abstract portrait of Kobe. Then once the base layer is painted, we apply our next layer on top and we fill in our next color, which is white. And then we're just going to keep repeating this process over and over again until we get a solid face that comes out. So as you can see, we just go back in on top of that and we do another coat until we have an opaque color, and we place down our next stencil. Then we go in with a yellow and we do the yellow on top of that. So then once we take everything off, as you can see, we have Kobe appearing there. Now it's time to go in and fill in the background after we've touched up all the areas that we needed to. I just made an abstract background with some tape and my knife just to cut out some abstract shapes. Then we're going to take everything apart, and then we're going to go to the back of the shoe and we're going to do the Nike Air logo in yellow just to match this whole Lakers theme, as this shoe is actually already purple. So we're going to add some of his insignia onto the back of the heel area, the rear heel area. So we are going to actually use the transfer method to transfer our stencil on there, weed it out, and we're going to airbrush that in purple, as you can see. You can also see, once we're doing this, the final piece of how Kobe turned out. So this is a fast forwarded version of about 4 hours of work, just of touching up areas, making the eyes look right, just so you can ensure that the actual portrait looks like Kobe himself. So once we've airbrushed this all in, I'll show you guys what the final outcome looks like. And there we have it. We have our Kobe Bryant tribute Air Force 1s.